welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this acrobatic cat toy using paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these crafts. So let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using 4 pieces craft card with 275 GSM, colored paper, soft clay. You can buy this from Daiso. String, a pair of googly eyes, wire, 3 to 4 pieces of rubber bands, small pliers, paint, a barbecue stick, a small cutting tool, pencil and pens, a ruler, glue, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. First, take a craft card. From the corner, start rolling to make a paper stick. The thickness of this card paper is 275 GSM, which is nice for our project. Add some glue to seal the edges, holding it tight to make the stick firm. We need to make 2 of these paper sticks. Then cut the pointy edges of both sticks. Next, use pliers to flatten half part of each stick. Take another craft card, fold and cut it into half. Then fold and cut again into half. Then take the cut out, fold and bend it into a curve before rolling it. I'm trimming the inside part to avoid wrinkles while rolling. Apply some glue to seal it. Take the other cut out, fold and bend it into a curve. Apply some glue and put it together with the first roll that we just made earlier. Then cut the other card, this time with just 1 layer, and add it together to the roll. Then apply some glue to seal it. Next, we will be making roll number 2 using the remaining craft card that we have. Roll 1 is 3 centimeters, while roll 2 is 2 centimeters. Now let's assemble the sticks and the rolls together. The flattened area will be the top part. Trim the corners into a curve. Then snip at least ½ centimeter on each side. Apply some glue into the hole to close the gap. Holding the paper stick with both hands, gently bend it into a slight curve. The bend should be identical for both sticks. Align the sticks together and put the roll number 1 in the middle. by adding just a bit of glue on each side. Place a rubber band on the roll and stretch it around until it reached a loop. Turn it over and use another rubber band to wrap it around. Then add another rubber band. Apply some glue on the first roll and attach the roll number 2 underneath for support. For the trapeze, take the barbecue stick, measure 5 centimeters and cut it. Then, measure and cut 2 pieces of 2 centimeter circles using a craft card. Find the center of the circle and mark 2 dots on each side. Then poke the holes on each side. Make the same holes for both circles. Apply some glue on the barbecue stick and attach it to the center of the circle. Make sure that the holes of both circles are aligned to each other. For the trapeze strap, cut 2 small pieces of card craft. This is about 0.5 centimeter by 4 centimeters. Make a small band, add some glue, leaving a gap or a hole. We need to make 2 straps. Now let's make some hoops using the wire. Get the pencil and wrap the wire on it to get the shape and size. Now let's attach the straps to the trapeze bar. To cover the rollers, cut a craft card measuring 17 by 6 centimeters. Put glue on the rollers and wrap it around. For the top cover, measure the gap between the 2 sticks. Then attach the craft card with the glue. Now let's start making the cat. Measure and cut 8 by 5 centimeters of paper. We need 4 pieces of these. Take a paper, fold and cut it into half. Then roll it like a stick. Then add glue to seal it. Make 3 pieces of these. Then make a longer stick using this paper without cutting into half. We now have 3 pieces of short ones and 1 long stick. And with the remaining paper, cut small pieces of strips. Then take 1 short stick and bend it to make a ring. Then glue the edges together. We need 2 of these for the head and the body. For the arms, take the long stick, bend into half, and glue it together with the ring. Then wrap it with a paper strip to secure it together. Attach the other ring to make the body. Bend the remaining stick and attach it to the body. We can now fill it in with a soft clay and mold it into shape. Air dry it until it hardened. While waiting, we can paint the trapeze bar. Now that the clay is dry, make a small bend on the paws and glue it, leaving a small hole in it. We can now start painting our cat. Then let the paint dry. We can now add more details to the cat. I'm cutting some small pieces to make the whiskers. Let's attach the googly eyes. And glue the whiskers. We can now connect the hoops and the straps to the cat. To attach the string to the trapeze bar, place the cat on top of the sticks, facing down. Then measure and cut about 25 centimeters of string. Insert the string in between the slits of the sticks. Then stretch the string until you get equal lengths for each side. And then insert the string into the aligning hole of the bar. Then insert the string into the other slit. Turn it over and repeat the same steps. You may also adjust the sticks while adjusting the string, and make sure that the strings are not too loose and not too tight. And now, make sure to tie the strings securely. For the finishing touches, let's add some colored paper strips and a star shape in the middle. And there you have it, your very own DIY Acrobatic Cat toy. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.